Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a slow FitGirl installation in 2025. I'll show you guys how to fix it. First, you just need to know this example what you can expect the game installation time. The game size 50 GB, then you install on a hard disk, then it will be take 3 hours to finish it. If you installed on SSD, then it will take 25 to 40 minutes to install the game. To check whether you have the SSD, then you just need to right click and select Task Manager and go to Performance. And in this list, you can able to see disk. In my case, I have only one disk. The disk name is C drive, and as you can see, the type is SSD. You just need to check whether you have the SSD, and after that, just minimize this and copy the game installer folder just like this. Copy it and paste it in the drive where it shows SSD in the task manager, guys. In my case, the SSD shows in C drive, so I am pasting in C drive folder. And after pasting the game folder in the SSD drive, it can be increased by speed, guys. As you can see, it takes 2.5 to 3 hours, but on SSD it takes 25 to 40 minutes of install time. And now you just need to go to search menu and type Windows Security, click on open it, and select the virus and threat protection, and select manage settings and just turn off the real-time protection. And now just minimize